What's up, guys? Today we are reading episode 3 of Bluebird Series 2. It's called Gray Army. I just finished it. So someone starts screaming, "Ah!" And then a person turns gray, and then Graybird says, "You have designed in our Gray Army." So, remember the girl in the episodes? She says, "Hey, stop!" And then the Graybird says, "Did you not get a chance in our army?" So that's the girl. "No, I'm going to stop this." "Then prove it with a battle." "Fine, let's fight." So now it's basically in third person or something. Okay, there's no dialogue in here. "Now, caw, 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 help." And then Black Graybird runs away. Then, there's still a giant hole. But then, what's even more cool is that a green monster comes out of the hole. Right there. The end. This is actually my favorite episode so far, so make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.